Hi everyone, and welcome to this course on React Native for beginners. So, the process of producing software apps used on mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, or smartwatches is referred to as app development. And that's the topic of our first lecture. So when we say app development, when we talk about it, this includes creating, writing, testing, and deploying software apps onto platforms like iOS and Android. App development is divided into two types, native and cross-platform. Native app development entails designing programs that are built particularly for a certain operating system, example iOS or Android, and developed in a programming language that is native to that platform. Cross-platform app development entails designing programs that can be used on numerous platforms and are created in a programming language that is platform agnostic. An agnostic type of software is free from any ties to a specific platform or system and runs equally well across more than one platform. The app development process normally includes various stages such as brainstorming, wireframing, designing, programming, testing, and deployment. The developers collaborate to produce an app that satisfies the demands of the user and provides an amazing user experience. App development aims to build a project that is helpful, entertaining, and simple to use. The app development process might vary based on the project's particular requirements, the target audience, and the intended platform. The following are some important phases in the app development process. Number 1, ideation. This is the first step of app development. It's like the first stage in which the app's concept is developed. This entails conducting market research, recognizing user needs, and discussing workable solutions. Number 2, wireframing. That's like the second step. So it's a preliminary sketch or blueprint of the app's layout, and the user interface is generated during this stage. This aids in determining the operation and flow of the program. Then we have designing. When the wireframes have been approved, the design team produces a visually beautiful and user-friendly interface for the app. The interface must be easy to understand and manipulate. Next, we have development. This is the stage at which the software is properly coded and developed. The app's features and functionality are built by the developers using programming languages, software, and tools. Then we have testing. When the app is created, it's put through a series of tests to ensure that it's functional and free of faults or problems. Then we have deployment. After having been properly tested, the program is uploaded to the App Store for consumers to download and use. App creation also includes constant maintenance and upgrades to preserve the app's functionality, security, and compatibility with the most recent operating systems and devices. Target audience, app functionality, user experience, security, and scalability are all important factors to consider while designing an app. It's also critical to comprehend the App Store's criteria and regulations to accept the app for distribution. Ultimately, app development is a complicated process that necessitates the collaboration of qualified developers, designers, and testers in order to produce a successful product that satisfies the demands of the intended audience. Alright, so that's it for this introductory lecture, and now on to the next one.